Chapter number 1, The Triumph of Surgery. The poor lady almost swooned when the doctor said that he needs to be hospitalized. Tricky needs to be hospitalized. Then she almost became unconscious. She was sure he would pine and die if he didn't see her every day. And it was sure to Mrs. Pumphrey that she will surely die if she will not meet if he she was thinking that Tricky would die if he will not see Mrs. Pumphrey daily. But I took a firm line. Tricky was very ill and this was the only way to save him. But Mrs. Pumphrey was very firm now, as it was very necessary to send Tricky to hospital as his health was going down day by day. In fact, I thought it best to take him without delay, and Mrs. Pumphrey thought of sending Tricky without any late, and followed by Mrs. Pumphrey's wailings. And when he was taken to the hospital, she cried a lot. I marched out to the car carrying a little dog wrapped in a blanket. The doctor took the doctor wrapped the dog in a blanket and left the home of Mrs. Pumphrey. The entire staff was roused and maids rushed in and out, bringing his day bed, his night bed, favorite cushions, toys and rubber rings, breakfast bowl, lunch bowl, and supper bowl. The entire staff means the staff which was there in Mrs. Pumphrey's house. The entire staff was roused, means awakened. The staff awakened. ये नहीं है कि staff सोया हुआ था, means the staff started working hastily. जल्दी से उन्होंने काम करना शुरू किया. And the maids rushed in and out bringing. And now the servants were rushing in and out. So they were coming out and going in to bring out the necessary things of Tricky. Those were his day bed, means the bed where he was resting in daytime, his night bed, favorite cushions, toys and rubber rings, means all the things which he used for playing, then his breakfast, lunch and supper balls. Realizing that my car would never hold all the stuff, I started to drive away. And now it was clear to the doctor that his car would not hold all the stuff, means the things, the daily things of Tricky's needs were very much as compared to the space in the car. So the Dr. Heriot was thinking that there is not enough space in the car to take all the necessary things of Tricky. मतलब ये था कि इतनी ज़्यादा नेसेसिटी तो नहीं थी ट्रिकी को उन चीज़ों की, लेकिन उसकी जो मिस्ट्रेस थी वो उसको मतलब ऐसा उसके साथ वो ट्रीट करती थी, उसको ट्रीटमेंट ही ऐसा दिया गया था ट्रिकी को कि उसका सामान ज़्यादा बन गया था डेली नीड्स का जो था. Now suppose, let us take the example that the breakfast, lunch and supper can be taken in the same bowl also, but there were different bowls for breakfast, lunch and dinner bowl, right? So in this way the things were increasing, and Dr. Heriot left the home without taking all the stuff. As I moved off, Mrs. Pumphrey, with a despairing cry, threw an armful of the little coats through the window. And the doctor adds that when he left the place, then he saw that Mrs. Pumphrey was crying. Despairing means hopeless cries were there. She threw an armful of the little coats. She threw away some coats also through the window. I looked in the mirror. The doctor, saw all this from the mirror before I turned the corner of the drive. Everybody was in tears. Everyone was crying. Out on the road, I glanced down at the pathetic little animal gasping on the seat by my side, and the doctor had kept the dog with on the seat next to his seat. डॉक्टर के साथ वाली जो सीट थी उस पे उसने ट्रिकी को बिठाया हुआ था. एंड the doctor glanced means looked down at the pathetic is the pitiable condition of the dog because he was not able to breathe properly. वो लंबी लंबी सांसें ले रहा था. ऐसा कब होता है? Either our health is not good and we have excessive fat in our body, then we are not able to breathe properly. जब बॉडी में बहुत मोटापा आ जाता है, बहुत फैट इकट्ठा हो जाता है, तो सांस लेना मुश्किल हो जाता है. द सेम वॉज, जहाँ हम बहुत भाग के आते हैं. सो द सेम वॉज हियर विद द एनिमल ऑल्सो, दैट मिसेस पम्फ्री हैड गिवन द डॉग अ लॉट more than required to eat, and that's why today she herself was responsible for the poor health of the dog. I patted the head. Then pat means the doctor gave her light slap, the slap of love on Tricky's head, and Tricky made a brave effort to wag his tail. Wag means to move its tail. When do the animals wag their tail? Animals अपनी tail कब हिलाते हैं बेटे? When they came to know that something is loving them or someone is calling them in love. जहाँ तो उनको पता चले कि कोई उनको प्यार से बुला रहा है, जहाँ कोई उनको प्यार कर रहा है, जहाँ the dogs know to that person, तो जो भी बुला रहा है, in that case the dog wags the tail. And when the doctor patted the head, जब डॉक्टर ने उसके हेड पे, जैसे पैट होता है अगर हम सिंपल लैंग्वेज में बोलें तो जो शाबाशी देते हैं, तो जैसे डॉक्टर ने उसके सिर पे हाथ मारा, then Tricky wagged his tail. Poor old lad, I said, you haven't a kick in you, but I think I know a cure of you. And the doctor said that, now I think I know how to cure you. I know your problem well, and that's why I have brought you with me to the hospital. At the surgery here means the hospital or the clinic, you can say. At the surgery, the household dogs surged round me. Surged means came around me. Household dogs means the dogs who were living there in the surgery. Tricky looked down at the noisy pack with dull eyes, and when put down, lay motionless on the carpet. So Tricky looked down at the noisy pack means there was a noise. He saw the noise with dull eyes means जहाँ से आवाज़ें आ रही थी उसने अपनी डल आँखों से उधर देखा. एंड when put down, lay motionless on the carpet, और जब उसको नीचे रखा गया तो वो बिना किसी आवाज़ के नीचे लेट गया. The other dogs, after sniffing round him for a few seconds, decided he was an uninteresting object and ignored him. And when he was lying on the carpet, the other dogs came. They smelled him, and after smelling, they didn't show any type of interest in the object. Object is Tricky here. उनको लगा नहीं कि ट्रिकी एक इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ है उनके लिए, सो दे लेफ्ट द प्लेस. आई मेड अप अ बेड फॉर हिम इन अ वार्म लूज बॉक्स. देन मिस्टर हॉरिएट मेड अ बेड फॉर हिम इन अ वार्म लूज बॉक्स नेक्स्ट टू वन वेयर द अदर डॉग्स वर स्लेप्ट. मतलब जिस रूम में, जिन बॉक्सेस में बाकी डॉग्स सोते थे, adjoining to the last box there, the box was kept for Tricky also. For 2 days I kept an eye on him, giving him no food but plenty of water. And for 2 days the doctor kept an eye on him. The doctor every time had an invigilation for the dog, and The doctor gave him no food to eat, but no food to eat, sorry, but Tricky was given plenty and plenty of water only, because by eating excessive of food he was not feeling good already. So he was given water only for 2 days. At the end of the second day, he started to show some interest in his surroundings, and after drinking the only water for 2 days, by the end of second day, now Tricky started showing some interest in the surroundings also. On the third day, he began to whimper. Whimper means giving out sounds. जैसे dogs हल्की हल्की sound निकालते हैं and then they start barking. भौंकने से पहले जो हल्की हल्की आवाज़ें निकालते हैं. On the beginning of the third day, now there was some more change in Tricky, and now he had started whimpering after seeing other dogs in the yard. When I opened the door, Tricky trotted out and was immediately engulfed by. Trotted out means walked out briskly, walked out fast. And when the door of Tricky's box was opened, Tricky left the box and walked away, and he met. Engulfed means engaged by Joe, the greyhound and his friends. Greyhound is a type of dog, और उनके और भी फ्रेंड्स थे, मतलब वहाँ पे बाकी जितने भी डॉग्स थे. नाउ ट्रिकी वॉज अ फ्रेंड ऑफ देम. Tricky followed them, rolling slightly with his surplus fat. Later that day, I was present at feeding time. Now, by the evening, that was the feeding time, and Doctor was present at the place. I watched while Tristan slopped the food into the balls. Tristan might be the caretaker of the dogs. So, when he was slopped means spread, when he was spreading the food, when he was putting the, you can say, food into the balls, at that time Mr. Harriot was there. There was the usual headlong rush, followed by the sound of high speed eating, and there was the usual headlong means straight rush, followed by, वहाँ पे रश था because the dogs were in the line to get the food, and then there were the sounds of high speed eating. Every dog knew that if he fell behind the others, he was liable to have some competition for the last part of the meal. When they had finished, Tricky took a walk round the shining balls. और जब सबने खाना खा लिया, then Tricky took a walk near all the balls, licking casually inside one or two of them. Lick means to taste with tongue. Now he tasted the food from one or two balls. Next day an extra ball was out for him. क्या हुआ था कि उस दिन, जिस दिन बाकी डॉग्स को खाना दिया, ट्रिकी भी उस जगह पे था. But on that day no food was given to Tricky because it was not clear to Mr. Harriot that whether he would show any interest in food or not. But when Doctor noticed that he was licking the balls of other dogs, then next day an extra ball was kept, and that was for Tricky. And I was pleased to see him jostling his way towards it. And the doctor was happy when he saw the dog pulling and pushing the others to make his way towards the ball. From then on, his progress was rapid, and it was the starting of the progress. यहाँ से progress start हुई थी. He had no medicinal treatment of any kind, but all day he ran about with the dogs. Joining in their friendly scrimmages, he discovered the joys of being bowled over, tramped on, and squashed every few moments. Now, Tricky was enjoying the games with the other dogs. He was playing one game and the other game one and other minute. He became an accepted member of the gang, and now he became a nice member of the game. He was accepted by everyone, an unlikely silky little object among the shaggy crew. His skin was silky. Tricky's hair was silky, but the other crew is the group, but the other dogs were looking rough, fighting like a tiger for his share at meal times, and he fought like a tiger at the time when it was the time of meal, and even he hunt rats also in the old hen house at night. He had never had such a time in his life. He had never took enjoyment of such a life in life कि अपनी ज़िंदगी में उसने आज तक ऐसी ज़िंदगी का आनंद नहीं लिया था जितना कि उसे अब मिल रहा था.